Hey, what's up everyone, it's artist BBG and welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use charcoal pencils. So one of my subscribers requested me how to use the charcoal pencil, so I'm making the video based on that today. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you guys know, I explained in the last video, charcoal pencils are of three types: soft, medium and hard. This is the hard pencil, this is the soft pencil, and this is the medium pencil. So three of them are having their own purposes. Soft one is the darkest, medium one is the like the middle tone, and hard one is the hardest. So charcoal pencil are only used for drawing hairs, beard and all other, which it helps you to preserve, it helps you to save time. So I'm going to show a few of my drawings done with charcoal pencil. So this is I have practiced charcoal pencil drawing realistic beard and also drawing realistic hair, as you guys can see. So anything comes from practice, guys. You have to practice every day with these pencils. Now I'll show you by shading them one by one. Shaded the soft charcoal pencil, neutral charcoal pencil and the hard charcoal pencil. As you can clearly see, there is so much difference between all of them. I'll show you clearly. This is soft, medium, hard. So there is a lot of difference. Now I'm going to show you shading or blending them. Okay, so for blending I'm going to be just using a normal brush, painting brush. Them. So as you guys can see, there is a little bit of dust while using the medium and the soft one, but the hard one, it's just like any other, it is dust free. But if you see closely, there is a little amount of dust right here. Okay, so this, and now I'm going to be talking about highlights. So I'm going to be using Tombow Mono Zero Eraser for the highlights, and by just adding few strokes like this, so I'm applying normal pressure and doing the highlights, soft, medium and hard. So, and even we can use a white gel pen, but I won't totally recommend using this, but you can use it at certain spots. White gel pen works well on this. You can even use a normal whitener or a correction pen. So the white gel pen works pretty well. So charcoal pencils are used in drawing large areas, and if you want to color backgrounds, you have to use charcoal sticks, which I don't have. I'll make a separate video on that if you guys want. So charcoal pencils are used for saving you time by shading the larger areas quickly, and they're even easy to add highlights. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and sorry that I did not upload any videos for a month because I was busy, I didn't find time to record. So you guys are finally